Yo homes, welcome back to another After Effects tutorial, and in this one I'll teach you how to create duotone effects within After Effects without any plugin, etc. So let's begin. If you have been to my channel or my Instagram before, you probably know that I'm a huge fan of duotone and I use it a lot. One of my favorite places to use duotone in case of videos is the title screen. For example, the current title screen, which is a part of a video essay slash documentary kind of thing I'm making on Kurumi. And to start off, we'll start by creating the composition where we will be using the duotone. And if you don't know what duotone is, it is basically a kind of gradient map where the entire composition has two colors, one for the darker part and one for the lighter part. A gradient between the darker color and the lighter color. It can be anything, it can also be reversed. Now moving on to the next steps. With our composition ready, let us now select the video we will be using as the background, on which we will apply the duotone effect. And with that done, let us move on to the next step, which is creating two solid layers. The shortcut for creating a solid layer is Ctrl plus Y in Windows or Command plus Y in Mac, and the keyboard menu is go to layer, new, and you will get the option to create a solid layer. When the solid layer is done, you can either start by the darker one or the lighter one. As for me, I'm starting with the darker one, and we are choosing a color for the shadows. For this case, I'm choosing my favorite gray, the dark gray, which has a hex code of 41, 41, 41. Now comes the trick. For the darker layer, for the shadows, make sure you have the blend mode of the layer switched to color. What it will do is, it will use the color we selected for the layer to color up the darker parts of everything below it. And in this case, the darkest part of the composition below it will be the dark gray we chose, which is 41, 41, 41. Next, we will create the lighter layer. For the lighter layer, once again, we'll choose a color that suits what we're creating. And for this, I'm choosing the orange that the logo Patanjali has. And with that done, let us come to the trick number 2. And for the lighter layer, we will switch the blending mode of the layer to multiply. And what multiply does is, it adds the layer which is set at multiply to everything below it, the way we add into a paper. The way we color over a paper by adding the darkness and the color over the paper, the similar way multiply as the color and the darkness of the particular layer that has been set to multiply to every layer below it. And in this case, it will make the darkest part of the layer orange, and hence it will complete the duotone effect. We're using this trick because there is no direct effect, not at least without plugins or any. I don't even know about any plugin that does this to create a duotone effect in After Effects, although we can do that very easily in Photoshop through the gradient map tool. Well, this completes the duotone effect, and now I'll show you why duotone is a great option for title screens and I'm such a fan of duotone. To use this as a title screen, as I mentioned earlier, let us add a title. And in this case, the title is Introduction to Ayurveda, which is a section of the video, that section of the complete video I'm working on. And with everything done, let's have a look at the duotone layer we have created.
अपने पर गर्व होना चाहिए, अपनी निजता से नफरत क्यों?
And with this we completed the tutorial. So homes, thanks a lot for watching this. Do subscribe the channel for more. I already have a lot of other After Effects tutorials and Photoshop and Illustrator tutorials live, and there will be more coming. Hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any new video that I publish. Also, you can follow me on other social media platforms, maybe Instagram, links in the description below, and I do have Behance and Dribbble accounts also, links in the description below. And let me know what you think of the video, what you liked or disliked about it, and what tutorials I should make next, your confusions, your queries, etc. in the comment section. And I hope the tutorials will help to stay above the crowd, and hope to see you in the next video. Till then, matane.